What's going on, everybody? Another day working on the car. So today we are changing the radiator fans, replacing a valve cover gasket, oil change, changing the spark plug modules. What else? I think that's it. So currently I just took off the upper hose for the radiator, and when I took that off I found out what the problem was with my radiator. It actually broke on the inside. So I got into a moose accident the other day, and I had to replace my mirror. Luckily it was just that, so I had to replace that. Yeah, so as I was saying, hit a moose the other day, and I don't know, I got so lucky. Like, it hit like right here and broke the mirror and the skin all across the bottom. I've already like high pressure washed my car and the skin is still there, so I have to redo that. But anyways, so I replaced the mirror. That's a replacement, and the electronics don't work like on this one because of the connection doesn't work. But anyways, so the radiator is empty because of this. It was like pissing out everywhere. So I'm just waiting for everything to cool down. Look how bad that is. So disgusting. I'm gonna clean that off too. But anyways, gotta take the lower hose off and then take this whole system out, undo all the wiring on the fans, and then go from there. So while the coolant is still draining, like very slowly, I have it just doing whatever. I took the tubing for the air filter off, and I'm starting to loosen up stuff over here because I need to take this off in order to get to the modules and also replace that gasket. Out with the old, in with the new. Having fun. It's freaking hot out. It's like, I don't know, 85 degrees. No electricity. I'm not using electricity in the garage right now. But yeah. So currently took the battery out so that I could move this around so that I could get the radiator out. So I got it out. Loosen this. Bless me. Loosen this. Took this off. Loosen that. I know that I have to take this off. This is off. I'm not quite sure what else I need to take off in order to get underneath, but yeah, we'll figure that out. Got the valve cover off. Right? Or is that the top header? I don't know. Whatever. Either way. Got it off. I had already replaced this, and I've already replaced the spark plugs. Now I'm gonna replace all the modules, and you have to take this off in order to get to the back three. So anyways, that's what I am on to now. Don't know where the last part that I started or left off at, but I took the crankshaft cover off, replaced the gasket. Oh, that sucked. This hose broke, and this inside piece fell inside the crank shaft. What am I trying to say here? The bank? Crankcase? Yeah, the crankcase. Fell inside there, and I was trying to use this and this to like stab it, but every single time that I stabbed it, it would just break into smaller pieces. So I'm kind of fucked on that. Still have the radiator out. Still have to do all that too. But that's like, the radiator is like nothing compared to everything that I just did for this. So I hope I put everything back on. This, I don't have any other tubing. Look, even right here is cracked too. And so I might like put like electrical tape. I have no idea, like kind of screwed on this. We'll figure it out when it comes. But got everything completely put back together. And yeah, I am really nervous because there was a lot of things that happened while I was putting this together. I'm gonna set this up and make sure that everything goes well. All right, here we go. So, car runs, but something is wrong. And that's also probably a reason why I have, I don't know, anything like codes that are going on. And I think the car pulls a lot more. I think it's actually because I changed the modules, the spark plug modules, that or the coils, whatever you want to call them. It actually is working. There still is a misfire going on, but I've changed the spark plugs and I've changed the modules, so something has to be going on that I'm not aware of. I don't know. And I don't know if I really want to figure it out. I might just sell it, who knows. But yeah, anyways, heading back home, and I'll get a clip of a pull here in a minute. But yeah, just wanted to do an update because I didn't really do a thorough conclusion of the day, so I'll finish that up in a second. Alright, so this is where I'm gonna end the video. Replace the radiator fans, the hoses, did the changed the modules, changed the gasket, did a bunch of stuff. There still is a misfire with the car. It's actually worse than before. Well, it feels like it's worse, but at the same time, I'm getting more power than what I did before. But yeah, anyways, so give a thumbs up, comments in the, put some comments, and all right, thanks for watching.